Hello, my friends. Today we will thoroughly learn and carefully discover the absolutely correct and proper way to effectively change your mobile phone's security pattern, as well as precisely how to successfully change your phone's biometric fingerprint identification, CIO. So let's go ahead and open the default settings app that is available on all Android phones. Open it as usual, or you can pull down the notification bar from the top to the bottom and then tap on this option. For example, I will tap here or on this app. Next, you will want to scroll down a little bit further and then carefully look for the specific option that is clearly labeled Lock Screen. If your phone is in another language, remember the icons and locations you'll need to go to. First, I will tap right here on this specific spot. Following that, I will carefully scroll all the way down the screen until I can clearly see and locate the important option that is distinctly labeled as Password Security. Once I have successfully identified it, we will then proceed to tap on it to continue. After this particular screen appears, we will first proceed to change the current pattern. First, I will carefully tap on this specific area of the screen. Following that, I will proceed to accurately enter the security pattern that was previously set up for my old phone. As you can clearly observe, immediately after I successfully entered the correct pattern associated with my previous device, the system seamlessly transitioned me directly to this particular screen. Now I will once again tap on this designated spot to continue with the process. Or you can simply add a new PIN right here in this section, or you can also set a secure password for enhanced protection. I always prefer using a secure pattern on my phone. I simply tap right here. Here is a very important warning. You absolutely must remember this specific pattern. I will immediately press firmly in this particular spot, and now, with great care, I will proceed to enter a brand new pattern for my mobile phone. For example, I will carefully enter this pattern exactly like this, as you can clearly see on the screen, and finally, I will press this crucial option to confirm my selection. The reserve Ben. First of all, if this is your first time watching this video, please don't forget to show your support for me by clicking the subscribe button and the follow buttons, and by generously sharing this video with your friends and family members. Please and thank you. Now I will proceed to the fingerprint section, and then I will change my current fingerprint. I will press right here. Here you enter your phone's pattern or passcode. For example, I previously entered the pattern. After that, you press this spot labeled fingerprint, and remember this arrow we press here and here. You can simply delete this particular fingerprint. I will press here, then I will proceed to press OK to confirm the action. After that, I carefully tap this specific spot once again to seamlessly add a brand new fingerprint. I then proceed to accurately enter the established pattern. And right here, I'm going to carefully add the brand new fingerprint, as you can clearly see on the screen. Finally, after all these steps, I will confidently tap done from this specific spot on the interface, completing the entire process. So we have successfully and completely added the fingerprint. If you've reached this particular point in the tutorial, please don't forget to check out the comprehensive playlist with various helpful and informative tutorials. You'll find many important guides there that you will surely like and undoubtedly benefit from. See you next time, my dear friends. Take care.